Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar ends broadly lower, Euro rises ahead of EU-US summit on rescue fund. http ntvforex.com News ID f38b93. 7/20/2022 17:24 am. Market Review 18/07/2020 0224 GMT. Dollar ends broadly lower, Euro rises ahead of EU-US summit on rescue fund. The greenback ended lower against majority of its peers on Friday, led by rise in the single currency on hopes that progress on the EU recovery fund will be made by the end of the European Union summit on Saturday, together with gains in the US equities. Reuters reported the University of Michigan said on Friday its consumer sentiment index dropped to a reading of 73.2 from 78.1 in June. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast the sentiment index edging to 79 early this month. Versus the Japanese yen, dollar met renewed selling at 107.36 shortly after Asian Open and fell to 107.10 in Europe on USD's weakness as well as fall in U.S. Treasury yields before recovering to 107.27 at New York Open, but only to drop to session lows of 106.94 near the close. Although the single currency moved sideways in Asia, renewed buying interest emerged at 1.1379 at European Open and later gained to session highs of 1.1443 in New York on optimism that EU Recovery Fund will make progress by the end of the European Union summit on Saturday before stabilizing. Reuters reported European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen said on Friday a deal on EU's economic recovery stimulus was possible at a summit in Brussels from Friday, warning the stakes could not have been higher for the bloc. Although the British pound rebounded to 1.2571 in Asia, renewed selling emerged and knocked price down to 1.2538 in European morning, then to session lows at 1.2512 at New York Open on cross-selling in sterling. The pair later rallied to 1.2574 on short covering and traded at 1.2567 near the close. Data to be released this week: UK Rightmove house price, Japan exports, imports, trade balance, Germany producer prices and EU current account on Monday. Japan National Core CPI, National CPI, UK PSNB, PSNCR, Swiss trade balance, imports, exports, US National Activity Index, Redbook, New Zealand GDT Price Index and Canada New Housing Price Index. Retail sales ex autos on Tuesday. Japan Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI, Australia Westpac Leading Index, Canada CPI, CPI Bok Core CPI and US MBA mortgage applications, monthly home price, existing home sales on Wednesday. Japan market holiday, Germany GfK consumer sentiment, France business climate, EU consumer confidence, UK CBI trends orders and US initial jobless claims, continued jobless claims, leading index change, KC Fed Manufacturing Index on Thursday. New Zealand imports, trade balance, exports, Australia Manufacturing PMI, Services PMI, Japan market holiday, UK retail sales ex-fuel, Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, France Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, Germany Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, EU Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, Italy Manufacturing Business Confidence, Consumer Confidence, Trade Balance and US Market Manufacturing PMI, Market Services PMI, Building Permits, new home sales on Friday. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.